The wig size, the cap size I'm making for today is a medium cap size. For medium cap size, you have to use 12 inches. That's the length. The size of the frontal should be 12 inches, but the size of this frontal I'm showing you here is a 13 inches frontal. So I'm going to resize the frontal to 12 inches by cutting out half an inch from each side of the frontal. So guys, this frontal is made out of Kanika long hair by yours truly. In case you're interested, please check the description box, the column that says to order a wig. So once I cut out the half an inch from each part, as you can see, the size of the canvas head is 22 inches and the caps I'm using is medium size, medium, so everything is going to work perfectly after doing this wig. Now I'm going to place the cap on the canvas head and start constructing the wig. First off, after placing the cap on the canvas head, I will place and install my frontal. So in case you don't know, for medium cap size, that's size 22 head size, make sure you use a frontal that suits the head size. For this frame head size, frontal that suits it is 12 inches. That's ear to ear perimeter. So after placing the frontal to the wig cap, I'll go ahead and sew down the frontal. Okay guys, I'm not going to show you guys how to do this because I have been doing it in most of my videos, so you can go check many of my videos to watch how I install the frontal or I sew down the frontal to the wig cap. Okay, sorry guys, I did not introduce myself. Hello, in case you are new here, my name is Chidimma. Please feel free and enjoy this video and consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. And my old subscribers, thank you very much for tuning in back. So let's continue with this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I will answer your question as usual. So I'm making this wig for a customer that contacted me. So I'm going to take you along to show you how I make this kind of wig, or how to make my wig. So the hair color I'm using for this wig is color 1. I'll go ahead to cut the hair into 2 equal parts and feather out the tips. After feathering out the tips and brushing, this is what the hair looks like. Now let's start braiding. So this is what my frontal looks like. So as a beginner, you might like to use this method that I'm showing, by using your tape to measure the spacing. As you can see, the spacing for the back, the very back, I'm using like 1 point something inch. Then when I get to the middle towards the front, I use 1 inch on the, but just for the sake of this, I just want to show you in case you're a new or a new to wig making or a beginner. But I'm not going to use this method because I'm experienced. I know how to space my hair so that the wig will not be heavy or feel heavy. Yes. So the next thing I'm doing is use a crochet method to attach the braiding hairs. That's the base that I will braid on later. First of all, I like to do this so that once I start braiding, it will be quicker and faster or easier for me to braid straight up. So after crocheting the hairs the way I want, or this one, like, yeah, how I want them, I will start braiding. So this is what the spacing looks like. As you can see, this is what everything looks like. I will now start braiding. I love brushing the hair before I start braiding to make the hair more smooth. But you can cream the hair as much as you want. So please guys, watch as I braid. I will come back and talk to you guys again. See you. So guys, this is what the individual braids look like. I'll go ahead and start the cornrows or feeding braids. So I've already sectioned my hair, the style I want to make. This is the style, how the pattern will look like after making the hair. So I will start making the feed-in braids. So guys, after making the feeding braids, I'll go ahead and complete the rest of the braids, after which I'll go off camera to trim the hair to make it smooth. I need to trim the hair to make it smooth and to last longer. Then after trimming the hair, I will dip in hot water and attach the baby hairs and elastic band. In case you want to know how I put the baby hairs, please check my other videos, my previous video. You will see how I showed in details how I attach my baby hairs and elastic band. So this is what the hair looks like after dipping in hot water. Wow, this is the final result. You can see the baby hairs. This is what the wig looks like after everything, and I've already attached my adjustable elastic band. So guys, let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comment section. Please, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will answer your question there. So guys, thank you again for sticking with me till this moment. I really appreciate your time, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you, hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and turn on your notification so you get notified whenever I post amazing videos like this. Okay, in case you're interested in ordering of my products, please check the description box, the column that says to order a wig. Okay, yeah guys, this is what the wig looks like, as you can see. Wow, thank you again for watching till this moment. I really appreciate your time, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Guys, let me know what you guys think again in the comment section. Please do like this video, share this video, comment what you guys think, and I appreciate all your support. I will leave you guys here to meet you again in my next video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.